Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today our topic is Hindi subject translate to English, and before I have teach that Raksha Mein Hatya, and that is the part 1. This is the continue and this is part 2. So in part 1 I have did one mistake, that is ghosla. I wrote in that video birds, but ghosla real meaning is nest. So now we will go for the lesson. So we will start. I stopped till लास्ट पैराग्राफ इन 29 पेज नंबर। दोनों चिड़िया बार बार कार्निस पर आती थी और बगैर बैठे ही उड़ जाती थी। केशव ने सोचा हम लोगों के डर से नहीं बैठती। स्टूल उठाकर कमरे में रख दिया। चौकी जहां से उठाई थी वहीं रख दी। श्यामा ने आंखों में आंसू भरकर कहा, तुमने मुझे नहीं दिखाया, मैं अम्मा जी को कह दूंगी। सो नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? So that two birds means mother and father of that small baby birds. So what happened? They are coming there, but they are not sitting in the carnies, and they are not watching the nest and their small baby birds. So they are not watching them. So Keshav thought that we are here, that's why they are not seeing. So Keshav kept the all places in their places. So all things he kept it to their places. And next what happened? Shyama was crying and she was saying, brother, you not shown to me, brother. So you not shown to me. This all I'll say to mother, she said. So केशव, अम्मा जी से कहेगी तो बहुत मारूंगा। श्यामा, तो तुमने मुझे दिखाया क्यों नहीं? केशव, अगर गिर पड़ती तो चोट लग जाती। श्यामा, लग जाती तो लग जाती, देख लेना मैं कह दूंगी। So now what happened? Shyama was saying that I'll say to mother. So Keshav said that if you say to mother I'll beat you, means Shyama said that if you beat also I'll say. Next Keshav said that if I show you, you will fall down, means Shyama said that if I fall down also no problem, but if see I'll say to mother, she said. So इतने में कोठरी का दरवाजा खुला और माँ ने धूप से आंखों को बचाते हुए पूछा, तुम दोनों बाहर कब निकल आए? मैंने कहा था कि दोपहर को ना निकलना। दरवाजा किसने खोला? दरवाजा केशव ने खोला था, लेकिन श्यामा ने माँ से ये बात नहीं कही। उसे डर लगा कि भैया की पिटाई होगी। So now what happened? They came out without saying to their mother. So what happened? Now the door opened. So they saw their mother, and she was saying to them, and she was asking that I said to don't come outside in the afternoon. Why you came in the afternoon outside? And she asked that who opened the door? Means actually Keshav opened the door, but Shyama not said, and she was thinking that if I say that Keshav brother opened, mother will beat to Keshav brother. So next what happened we'll see. केशव मन ही मन डर रहा था कि कहीं श्यामा ना कह दे। उसने श्यामा के बार बार कहने पर भी उसे अंडे नहीं दिखाए थे, इसलिए उसे अब श्यामा पर विश्वास न था। श्यामा भाई के प्रेम के कारण चुप थी या इस अपराध में शामिल होने के कारण चुप थी, केशव को समझ नहीं आया। शायद दोनों ही बातें थी। So now what happened? Shyama not said that Keshav brother opened the door. So Keshav was so much afraid, and he was thinking that Shyama will say, because Shyama will say that Keshav brother opened the door. But Shyama, why he was thinking like that? Because he not shown the eggs to the Shyama. So now what happened? Keshav was so much afraid, and he was thinking he not have Vishwas on Shyama. Vishwas means trust. So he not have any trust on Shyama, because Shyama said that she will say to the mother. So he not have any trust on Shyama. So he was too much afraid. So he was thinking that Shyama will say, and After 1 minute also Shyama was being quiet only, so he thought two reasons that Shyama will love to his brother Keshav, and one more reason what she was also there in the afternoon, she was also opening the door, so she not said like that. Keshav was thinking, and he was thinking that what happened, what the reason she chose and she is not saying, and again he got that about the two reasons also, that's why she not said. Next what happened we'll see. माँ ने दोनों को डांट डपकर फिर कमरे में बंद कर दिया और आप धीरे धीरे उन्हें पंखा झलने लगी। अभी सिर्फ 2 बजे थे, बाहर तेज लू चल रही थी। अब दोनों बच्चों को नींद आ गई। So now what happened? Ma means that mother, what she did, she scolded them and said that why you went outside like that. She scolded them, and again she took them inside of the home, and what she was doing, she was means that time current was not there, so she was making their children to sleep without current. Means she was taking one cardboard piece and she was doing like for blowing air like that. So next what happened, they both means that was only 2 o'clock of afternoon, that's why they both got sleeping like that, means they slept. Next what happened, 4 बजे यकायक श्यामा की आंख खुली। किवाड़ खुले हुए थे। वह दौड़ी हुई कार्निस के पास आई और ऊपर की तरफ ताकने लगी। टोकरी को पता न था, संयोग से उसकी नजर नीचे गई और वह घबराई हुई सी वापस कमरे में जाकर जोर से बोली, भैया अंडे तो नीचे पड़े हैं, बच्चे उड़ गए। सो नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, 4 बजे थे, मीन्स दैट टाइम 4 o'clock there, and what Shyama did, she came yakayak. Yakayak means fast. So she came yakayak, and she saw that she was seeing up, and tokri, they kept one basket, so it was not there. So yakayak she came, means yakayak means fastly she came, means she saw that the tokri was not there. Tokri means basket was not there, so it was fall down anywhere, she was not, and suddenly her eye fall down and she saw that down something was there, and again she went inside, and she was so much loudly she said, brother wake up, see the eggs are fall down, and बच्चे तो उड़ गए, means she was saying that the birds flied up. So next what happened we'll see. केशव घबराकर उठा और दौड़ा बाहर आया। आया तो क्या देखता है कि तीनों अंडे नीचे टूटे पड़े हैं और उसमें से कोई सफेद सी चीज बाहर निकल आई। पानी वाला कप भी एक तरफ टूटा पड़ा है। So now what happened? Shyama said that much loudly, means Keshav woke up and came outside, and he saw that all the 3 eggs were lying down and they broke. In that some white color like structure came out, and pani wala cup means water cup was also not there. So water cup was fall down and it was break into pieces. Next, now what happened? उसके चेहरे का रंग उड़ गया। डर और हैरानी से वह जमीन की तरफ देखने लगा। श्यामा ने पूछा, बच्चे कहाँ उड़ गए भैया? केशव ने करुण स्वर में कहा, अंडे तो फूट गए श्यामा, और बच्चे कहाँ गए? सो केशव, तुम्हारे सिर में देखती नहीं है, अंडों में से सफेद पीला पानी निकल आया, वही तो 2-4 दिनों में बच्चे बन जाते। सो now what happened? Now Keshav came there and he was so much afraid, and he was saying that he was saying down only every time. Means Shyama asked, where are the children, means small birds. So now what happened? Keshav said that can't you see in your, I think so, in your hair, means he was doing a joke, and he said that normally now can't you see the eggs broke and white and yellow like structure came out, that after 2 and 3 days they will only become the small birds. So now what happened? They were thinking like that. माँ ने छड़ी हाथ में लिए हुए पूछा, तुम दोनों वहां धूप में क्या कर रहे हो? श्यामा ने कहा, अम्मा जी, चिड़िया के अंडे टूट पड़े हैं। माँ ने आकर टूटे हुए अंडों को देखा और गुस्से से बोली, तुम लोगों ने अंडों को छुआ होगा। सो नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, माँ हाथ में छड़ी लिए हुए मीन्स द मदर ऑफ दे बोथ वर कैरिंग वन स्टिक एंड came near them and was saying, अरे why you came in the afternoon, this much sunlight is there, why you came out, she was asking. Yes, Shyama said that, mother, the small eggs were break down in our yard. Means mother said so much angrily, and she said that, what happened if you touch that eggs you have touched, she asked. So अब तो श्यामा को केशव पर जरा भी तरस न आया। उसी ने शायद अंडों को इस तरह रख दिया कि वह नीचे गिर पड़े। इसकी सजा उसे मिलनी चाहिए। वह बोली, भैया ने अंडों को छेड़ा था अम्मा जी। सो नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, Shyama was not getting any, she was feeling angry that her brother only did like that. He touched and kept some arrangements to them. That's why he touched the eggs, she thought. And she said to her mother so much fastly, mother, Keshav bhaiya, means Keshav brother touched that eggs. Means now what happened, we'll see. माने वह नीचे गिर गए। इसकी केशव सहमा डरा भीगी बिल्ली जैसे खड़ा था। माँ ने पूछा, क्यों रे, तुम वहां पहुंचे कैसे? श्यामम चौकी पर स्टूल रखकर। केशव, तुम स्टूल थामे नहीं खड़ी थी? श्यामा, तुम्ही ने तो कहा था। नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड, mother, now Keshav was standing like he was so much innocent, like that he was standing, and he was so much afraid also. Next, their mother asked, okay, you touched the eggs, but they are so much up, how can you touch them? Means Shyama said that he kept one stool and kept up the sitting stool. So one more stool he kept on that. She said, means Keshav got angry and he said that, you are not catching that stool. Means she said that you only said na. Shyama said that you only said to catch. So next, माँ, तुम इतने बड़े हो गए हो, तुम्हें अभी इतना भी नहीं मालूम कि छूने से चिड़िया के अंडे गंदे हो जाते हैं, फिर चिड़िया उन पर नहीं बैठती। श्यामा ने डरते डरते पूछा, तो क्या चिड़िया ने अंडे गिरा दिए अम्मा जी? So now what happened? Mother said to that Keshav that you grown this much bigger, but you don't know if we touch the eggs of the bird, the bird's eggs will be not pure. That eggs will be so much damaged, like that. She said that means it will not be good. So now what happened? Shyama said that if we touch the eggs of the chidiya, means it only will throw amma. She asked. So now what happened? माँ, और क्या करती? केशव के सिर इसका पाप पड़ेगा। सो केशव को रोना आ गया था। रोते रोते बोला, मैंने तो सिर्फ अंडों को गद्दी पर रखा था। सो नाउ व्हाट हैपेंड? What happened? Shyama said like this, means their mother said, Keshav, so you did like this na? In your head it will get the pap. Pap means sin. So she was saying that if you touch that, like that, if the bird thrown and you touch the eggs, you will get a pap. Pap means he will get a sin. So pap means he did one sin. So the chidiya will not, that eggs are damaged, like that she'll throw down. So Keshav will get its pap. Pap means sin. So it will get one as sin. So next, Keshav, what happened? Keshav, he was crying and said that, mother, I just kept them on one stool. I just kept them on one small child structure, na mama. He said. Next, what happened? अम्मा को हंसी आ गई, मगर केशव को कई दिनों तक अपनी गलती पर अफसोस होता रहा। अंडों की सुरक्षा करने के लिए जोश में उसने उनका सत्यानाश कर डाला। इस बात को याद करके वह कभी कभी रो पड़ता है। दोनों चिड़िया वहां फिर कभी नहीं दिखाई दी। So Now what happened means Keshav was crying, means their mother laughed, means she laughed, and after so many days Keshav was crying only, and he was thinking that I did for only their safety, why like that why happened, he was thinking. And some days if he remember the incident he will again cry, and दोनों चिड़िया वहां पर कभी नहीं आई. The mother and father means of the ex not came any time there. So thank you, Jazakallahu khaira. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.